everybody, welcome to my channel here, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create a Coinbase account. So it's pretty simple, and Coinbase is a platform where you can buy and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and many more. So yeah, let me show you how you guys can create an account. And before I start this video, so if you guys also want to sign in into Coinbase, then there's a referral link in the description. Click on that and you'll get a $10 bonus on your first purchase. So yeah, click on that link below and you'll get a $10 bonus if you create an account from our link below. So yeah, let's start the video now. To create a Coinbase account, you want to go to your search engine and you want to type Coinbase. Once you type Coinbase, you want to click on where it says sign in over here. You want to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, what you want to do is you want to click on where it says don't have an account. You want to click on don't have an account. And once you're over here, you want to enter your first name, last name, and an email and a passport, and click on I certify that I'm 18 years of age and older and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. So you want to do that real quick. After you do this, you want to click on where it says create account. After you do that, wait for some time. It's going to verify your email by sending verification code to your email. Now let's just wait for some time. As you guys can see, the email is over here, so I can just click on verify email. Then it's going to take me to my Coinbase account. Now just wait for some time. And as you guys can see, now I need to enter my phone number, and then it's going to send a verification code to verify if it is me or not. It's just to set up two-step verification, because like when you're dealing with cryptocurrency, you want to be extra safe. All right, so that's why. So you want to enter your phone number. Let me do that. And your Coinbase account has been created. As you guys can see, it's that simple to create a Coinbase account. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. And yeah, before I end this video, I want to tell you guys that if you guys also want to create a Coinbase account with $10 free bonus, then you can use our referral link in the description. You can click on it and you can sign in into Coinbase and you'll get a $10 bonus, and you can buy whichever coin over here just like this.